Hi everyone, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. Today we'll be doing a practice for the Heart Chakra or the Anahata Chakra. Located in the center of the chest, this chakra is the seat of love, compassion and connection. Associated with color green, an open and balanced Anahata Chakra helps in creating a strong connection with oneself and others. So once you're ready, let's gently hop onto the mat and get going. We'll start the practice with seated cat-cow stretch. So let's come into an easy cross-legged sitting position. Bring both the hands behind the head, interlacing the fingers, supporting the neck with both the thumbs. As you inhale, extend the spine up, opening the chest, looking up. Exhale, curl the spine, bringing chin to chest. Again, inhale, opening the chest, squeezing the shoulder blades together. Exhale, curl the spine, creating space between both the shoulder blades. 3 more times. Inhale up. Exhale down, bringing chin to chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last time. Exhale down. Come back to center and relax. Now let's come into a tabletop position from here. Preparing for puppy dog pose. Let's bring the hands under the shoulders, knees below the hips, keeping the knees hip distance wide. From here, let's start walking the hands forward and start lowering our chest and forehead to the mat. Try to keep the hips stacked over the knees and stop at a point wherever you are comfortable, either bringing the forehead on the mat or the chin for an extended stretch.
Let's take 5 deep breaths here, breathing into the opening in the chest and the shoulders. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Slowly lift the head up and start walking the hands back, coming back into tabletop position. From here, we are going to do a twist for the upper back. Bring the right hand to the center of the mat. Inhale, extend the left arm up, looking up towards the left arm. Exhale, needle it under the right and bring the left shoulder on the mat. We'll do it 2 more times dynamically. Inhale up, opening the chest. Exhale, twist. Inhale up. Exhale, twist. And let's just stay here for 5 deep breaths. You can extend the right arm straight forward. And let's stay.
3, 2, and 1.
Right hand back and come up. Let's do it for the other side. Bring the left hand to the center. Inhale, extend the right arm up, looking up. Exhale, twist. Inhale up. Exhale, twist. Last time. Inhale up. Exhale, twist and stay.
3, 2, and 1.
And come back. From here, let's step the right foot forward, coming into low lunge, moving the hips forward, and we are going to dynamically get into Ardha Chandrasana 5 times. Inhale, extend both the arms up, bringing the hands together, opening the chest, lifting the spine. Start taking both the hands back, opening the chest, and then bringing them back down. So we'll do this 4 more times. Inhale, extend both the arms up, opening the chest, taking the hands back, squeezing the shoulder blades. Exhale forward. Inhale up. Exhale forward 2 more times. Inhale up. Exhale forward and bring the hands down. Let's do it for the other side. Step the right foot back, left foot forward. Move the hips forward. Inhale, extend both the arms up, taking them up and down and forward. Inhale up, bringing them down, squeezing the shoulder blades and forward. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Inhale up. Exhale forward. Last one. Inhale up. Exhale forward. And come down. Bring the left leg down. Let's push the hips back and bring the forehead down,
Coming into child's pose for 5 deep breaths.
Let's slowly roll forward, coming all the way down onto the mat. And we'll get into Sarp Asana from here. So bring both the hands behind the hips, interlacing the fingers. As you take a deep breath in, start lifting the head and the chest up, extending the hands behind, looking forward. Keep extending the hands back, lifting the chest up. Let's do it once more. Inhale. And relax, bringing the forehead on the back of the palms and resting in Makar Asana, the crocodile pose. Next, we'll get into Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. Bring both the hands on either sides of the shoulders, bringing the feet together, trying to keep the heels close. Take a deep breath in and start lifting the chest up, coming up just till your navel. Keep the shoulders rolled back, elbows tucked in, squeezing the glutes, trying to keep the heels together for 3, 2, 1. Exhale down. Let's do it once more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last time. Inhale up. Exhale down and relax in Makarasana. From here, we'll get into Dhanurasana or the bow pose. So bring both the hands back, grabbing the ankles from the outside. Take a deep breath in And as you exhale, lift the chest and knees up, coming into bow pose.
And stay. 3, 2, and 1.
Exhale down. And release the legs. We'll do this once more. Bend the knees, bringing both the hands to the ankles. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, lift up.
3, 2, and 1.
Exhale, come down and relax. Let's flip over, coming onto our back. We'll be getting into bridge pose from here. Bring both the feet close to the hips, keeping them hip distance wide. Hands on either sides of the hips. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, pull the navel in and lift the hips up, coming into bridge pose. Staying for 3, 2, 1. Exhale down. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale, pull the navel in, lifting the hips up. For 3, 2, 1. Exhale down. Last time. And this time, if you're comfortable, bring both the hands together on the mat, squeezing the shoulders together, lifting the hips even more, opening the chest. For 3, 2, 1. Slowly release the hands and bring the hips down, one vertebrae at a time. Very good. Let's bring both the knees in, hugging them in for 3, 2, 1. Straighten the left leg. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, take the right knee to the left, looking towards the right side, keeping the right shoulder on the mat. For 3, 2, 1. Come back to center. Repeat it on the other side, bringing the left knee in. Inhale, take the left knee to the right, looking towards the left. For 3, 2, 1. Come back to center and relax. Staying in Shavasana, we are going to chant the Bij mantra for Anahata Chakra, which is Yam. So we'll chant that 5 times. Take a deep breath in.
Yum. 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 Yum.
Take a couple of normal breaths, feeling the effects of today's practice on your body. Let's slowly turn to one side and come into a seated position. Slowly bring the hands to heart center and start rubbing the palms to create heat in the palms. Gently bring the palms over the eyelids, feeling the healing heat of the palms through the eyelids. Slowly bring the hands down and open your eyes. Hope you enjoyed today's session. I'll see you in the next practice, which is on the throat chakra or the Vishuddhi chakra. Till then, take care and bye-bye.